and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B.
And this is Tech Guy from the Hive.
And we are so excited to be within unboxing. I almost said boxing week, like we were gonna do.
No, we're unboxing.
We're in unboxing week, and it's just something new we're trying in the months going forward. I think I've said this at the beginning of every video. In the months going forward, we want to try and pack all of our unboxing goodness right into 1 week and just get them all out there for you all to see. And so that means that we might be a little late uploading maybe some of the boxes. That means we've just stored them until we can open them again. And that way we've got them all kind of together. So we're just gonna knock these out, and we are so excited with the one we have today. It is from Vicky at Creative Notions. We will link everything down below, and y'all, this is an amazing box. I always put it in air quotes because she has figured out, she has taken the time to figure out that it is cheaper for her to ship in a bag, because then she's able to give us more product.
That's a bonus.
It's a wonderful bonus. So Creative Notions box is just $35 a month. And it comes with like so much more than $35 worth of product. And something that I love about her box, she is giving us a charm every month. And we get to choose if we want that on a pendant or a bracelet or a necklace. Like, we get to choose what piece of jewelry we want to put our charms on. And I think that is so unique in a subscription
That is very
box.
custom.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm so excited to get this bag open and see what goodness is inside. So it is actually, I went ahead and just kind of cut the top of it, but it's all still sealed. I know, you think I cheat. I just cut it open so it's not as loud on camera.
You don't sneak. Don't sneak.
So it is in a really cute heart bag. It actually came in a different bag. I opened that one and then opened this one. And it's in this really, she finds the cutest bags. Like, I don't know where she finds all the shippers.
I don't think we've had the same bag twice.
No, like everything is like whatever that month is. Like the Thanksgiving was Thanksgiving themed. The Christmas was like ornaments and stuff like that. And this is really cute, like Valentine's Day heart.
You and Vicky would get along with all the details. Like that's a minor detail. That
and then when you pull everything out, oh, I'm sneaking a peek here. I mean, it comes in like this really nice like bag.
You're making me look.
I know, sorry.
No.
All right, well, why don't y'all come in a little bit closer so we don't have to cheat and sneak peeks, and we can all just kind of look at it together. All right, let's get into this Creative Notions box. Like I said, they always come with the cutest little shipping bags. I love these. So we will set that to the side, and then she takes the time to like wrap everything so nicely. So
it's a personal touch.
It is a personal little touch.
Sometimes it can get lost in subscription boxes.
Yes. There's the card. I was looking for the card that it always comes with. Okay, so this says Creative Notions, win a basket of quilting supplies. Check your ticket to see if you are the winner. The winning ticket number will be posted on the website. You can go to creativenotionsquiltshop.com. Post something you've made from one of the boxes on Instagram or Facebook and tag Creative Notions Quilt Shop and win a fat quarter bundle.
That's awesome.
That's really cool.
That's how the gift that keeps on giving.
Yes. So this is the card that has everything we're going to get in the box, and I don't necessarily want to...
spoil it?
I don't want to spoil it, but let's see what this says. Invite a friend and get a free box.
Wow.
A few referral cards are included in your box. Feel free to share with your friends, and if they sign up, you get your next box for free.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty awesome.
She's growing so much. Okay, this says, according to the folklore, placing a tomato on the mantle of a new home guaranteed prosperity and repelled evil spirits. If tomatoes were out of season, families improvised by using a round ball of red fabric filled with sand or sawdust. The good luck symbol also served a practical purpose, a place to store pins. Do you remember I can't talk. Do you remember the tomato pincushion your grandmother used to have? We've come a long way since then with the beautiful pincushions available these days, and there will always be a soft spot in my heart for that old pincushion that held all of my grandma's pins. If I could see her again, I'd say I love you from my head to my toes. Tomatoes.
Wow.
That's really sweet. That is really...
It is very sweet.
What a nice little personal touch. So that's really, really sweet. Okay, so we've got the card. So now let's start pulling things out. I already see the little red pin cushion, so let's get that out here. I mean, well, it's a tomato pin. It's a tomato pin,
yes.
Okay, so we've got, this is the referral card. So I've got one of these in here. This is just refer a friend and earn a month subscription box. So those are nice because those are easy to just kind of hand out. I might keep that in my planner. Oh, and here's our little ticket. See if you are the winner. So, posted online, this is our ticket number. Posted online, she must have a blog or something on her shop that has the ticket number to it. So we'll have to check that. What a neat idea. To like give
it's like a raffle.
Yeah, it's like a little cute raffle. That's adorable.
I like it.
Okay, let's get this guy out of the way.
I kind of like this bag though. This is very personal touch.
Yeah. Okay. So here we've got this. Oh, look at our little, oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? It's our charm for this month is a little tomato pincushion with the strawberry attached. That is so cute from Pin Peddlers.
And this is not the first one we've gotten. We've actually.
Oh no, we get them every month.
Yeah, we get them every
month. And so we actually have like a small little collection now, and they always come in these little mesh bags. So that is really cute. So we've got a tomato pincushion. Ooh, a Lindor chocolate. Lindor.
I think it's a bad one.
Nope, I don't think so. You can get off of that chocolate. Okay, so here is our adorable little pincushion and the little, I call it a strawberry because that's just what it looks like, but I'm not sure that it's actually a strawberry.
What is that? That's not the first time I've seen that.
I think, well, it's a pincushion, so it's full of beans and stuff. What?
Yeah, I mean, what this is called.
This is? Yes. I call it strawberry. I'm not. So comment down below if you know what this is really called. I just love this, and I love the adornment that...
the reason why.
Yeah, the reason why. Like, that's such a personal touch, because she's right. Like, so many grandmas have that in their stashes. Okay, so here is our fabric. All right. I love you from my head tomatoes. That's really cute. A cute little heart paper clip. That's definitely going in my planner.
Our kids will definitely love that.
Nope, that goes in my planner. It's just a cute little card.
The pun.
That's adorable. Oh, the pun, yes. Okay, let's see if we can get this off here. Ooh, it looks like we have some Valentine's Day.
Are you unwrapping a...
I have to unwrap it because this is slid in the back.
Just saying, she's unwrapping.
Okay, so we've got, it looks like probably some fat quarters here. Yep, fat quarters. So this is really cute pink and metallic fabric. That is adorable. Okay, so we've got that one. Here you go, make yourself useful.
All right.
And then here's another coordinating fabric with XOXO, and it's got this metallic gold in it that's really kind of like the perfect little shimmer. Oh my goodness.
That's good.
Look at that. I was just at the quilt shop today thinking, oh, I should buy like some reds and whites and pinks and do something for Valentine's Day. Now I have something. So we've got that. This one has words all over it. Look how cute that bright red is. This just says Valentine, love and kisses. This is so cute with little hearts. Ooh, look at this deep color. This is cute. That is a very like deep pinks, and that's really pretty with the same X's and O's on it. That's really nice. And then here is a red with the little gold hearts on it. I don't know if y'all can see like that shimmer that it's bringing up, but it's actually really pretty metallic. Oh, this is probably my favorite one.
It's the bigger version of that one.
I know. Well, that one doesn't have red hearts in it. This one has like the pop of red hearts, and that's like my favorite thing. That's really cute. And then we have this really pretty one that kind of ties them all together. Look how nice that fat quarter bundle is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fat quarters. That is so nice. So she is valuing this fat quarter bundle at $24. So she got $24 in fabric just right here. And then also we have a Slimline Magnetic Box. Oh, so cool. Okay, let me try this out. Does this come out?
No, there it goes.
Nope, I think that's the magnet. Yeah, that's the magnet. Okay, so let me see if I've got some pins laying right here. check it out.
Oh, it works.
Oh, that's so cool. What a neat idea.
Do you think it sticks to a fridge?
I don't know. I don't know if the back part is magnetic. Probably not. That wouldn't make sense for it to be. Yeah. That is such a neat idea. Okay, I really like this box then. That's really cool. So then you can keep your little tools and stuff in there. You know, this would be a great little box, like it kind of shows on the picture.
On the go?
On the go, but like for cross stitch, like the tiny little scissors and the little pins, the glass head pins and stuff that we have. So this is cool. This is called Solutions by Art Bin. So that's really nice. Okay, so let's take a quick assessment here. We've got 8 fat quarters she's valuing at $24. We have a Slimline Magnetic Box, and this is by Art Bin, and this was $8.50. We have the Tomato Pincushion, which is $1.50. And we have, where's my little charm? Here it is. My charm that is valued at $5.25. And then, oh, the handmade tag, this little handmade tag says is priceless. So we've paid, she sent us this box, but you would pay $35 for this box, and it is a value of $39.25. It also says limited yardage is available on the website for purchase. So if you like any of these fabrics, you can definitely snag some yardage as long as she still has it.
Which is pretty cool fabric.
And then she's just reminding us, remember to turn in your preference card for your charm holder. Text, email, or call if you can't find it. Those who don't return it will get a bracelet. But we sure would like it if you have what you want. So actually I think a bracelet is what I wanted anyway. So, but I need to make sure and email her that.
What is your favorite part out of this box? Like
out of this box?
For this month.
Oh my goodness, I love this charm. This is probably my favorite part. Like, I love the sentiment behind this tomato pincushion. Like, the sentiment of it being your grandmother's, because you know, some of you may know this, I learned to quilt from my grandmother and my great-grandmother. And so, like, seeing this is like an actual, like, throwback to my grandma's house, because, yeah, she definitely had a tomato pincushion that she made.
Yeah, I like every detail, like going from the February theme packaging to kind of like
just the small little touches she puts on the packaging.
The detail touches that you don't get with a high manufactured box. So I definitely appreciate that.
Yeah. All right. Well, once again, this is the Creative Notion boxes. This is such an adorable box. I really just love it. And so we will link everything down below. She's got Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and definitely her email and her website. So thank you all so much for joining us in the Hive today and really digging into this box. We are so excited. I'm going to run and eat that chocolate before someone steals it. All right. Well, thank you all so much, and we will see you later.
Bye.